In this video, I will show you exactly how to add arrows to your Adobe Express projects to create professional-looking directional accents. Adding arrows is a fantastic way to draw attention to specific parts of your design or to guide the eye of your viewer through a layout. To get started, make sure you have your project open inside the editor and ready to go. On the left side panel of your screen, you will see a variety of tools, and the one we need is the Elements tab. Go ahead and click on that to open up a sub-menu filled with different assets. From here, you should select the section for shapes or icons, as both of these categories house a massive variety of arrow styles. Now, look for the search bar at the top of that panel and simply type in the word arrow, and then press your Enter key. This will bring up hundreds of options ranging from simple geometric strokes to hand-drawn artistic arrows and bold pointers. Once you find a design that fits the aesthetic of your brand or your current project, go ahead and click on it or drag it directly onto your canvas. After the arrow appears on your work area, you can easily customize its placement and appearance. If you need to change where the arrow is pointing, look for the circular handle located just above the selection bounding box and use it to rotate the arrow to any angle you like. To change the size, just grab any of the corner handles and stretch them until the arrow is the perfect scale for your design. You can also use the Properties panel on the right to change the color or add shadow effects to make it pop even more. Following these simple steps ensures your graphics look polished and functional while helping your audience focus on the most important details of your message. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to master Adobe Express Elements. If you found this helpful, please remember to subscribe for more design tips and tricks to help you create stunning content with ease.